Welcome to Lean by Jes. I am Jes, and I am so excited that you have found this educational hub for different fitness and nutrition related topics to help you with your health goals. Lean stands for lifestyle, exercise, and nutrition. The way that you are going to succeed in your health goals is by finding strategies that fit into your lifestyle with minimal modifications. Trying to fit your square peg of a lifestyle into a round hole of your health goals is not going to help or be sustainable over the long term. Therefore, you're going to need to find strategies that fit into your lifestyle, and I know that I have many on here that can help you with that journey. If you ever have any questions about specific strategies and how they can fit into your lifestyle, make sure to email me at leanbyjes@gmail.com or direct message me on here or send a comment, and I will be sure to get back to you. And make sure to check out my website, leanbyjes.com, which has a variety of different services to help you with your health goals, such as personal training, which is virtual, and nutrition coaching, also virtual, as well as blog entries and a recipe book to help you with those nutritional and fitness related needs. Thank you again for stopping by, and I cannot wait to help you with your health journey.